Welcome to third bracket. Today we will do a CRUD operation onto the Firebase Firestore, and here you will learn how to store data onto the database and how to get the data from the database and how to show them onto your user interface like this. And at the same time you will learn how to edit the data and how to delete the data. Here there will be the whole CRUD operation. So let's get started. So here you can see this is our default Flutter project. At first we will add some dependencies in the pubspec.yaml file. Here we will add get, then Cloud Firestore and font awesome Flutter. Then pubget, fine. And then we will need few directories. Let's make them. We will need binding, then controller, then model, and then views. Fine. And cut these things, we don't need this. Here we are taking a new class on home page and make it get material app, because we are using get and debug mode. False. And right here in the views folder we'll make a file on home page, and here we will take a stateless class on the home page. Scaffold. Amper title text, and here I'm saying word bank, background colors to yellow, style text style, font weight bold, and font style italic, letter spacing 2. So let's run it. We have to import the home page. Color start black. Fine. And right now we will set up our Firebase into our project. So let's go to the Firebase and get started. I'm taking a new project, I'm calling it word bank. I'm just saying word. Continue, default, and create project. Continue, and here in the Android section, click on it, and we have to connect the application onto that project. So come onto that Android folder, and there is an app folder, and there is build Gradle file. Come here, and right here in the default config section, there's application ID. Just copy the text, paste it here, then register app. Download that JSON file, I'm taking that and I'm pasting that under that app folder, and make sure that the name of that JSON file is Google-services, nothing else after that. Done. And the next, and here I'm taking that dependencies, not under the app folder build Gradle. It is under the Android folder, and there is build Gradle, and there is the dependency section, and right here I'm pasting that. It's done, and here is apply plugin, and that would be the build Gradle that is under app folder. Right here there is apply plugin, and under that I'm pasting that, and there is another dependencies at the bottom, I'm pasting that right here, and we don't need that right now, so the next and continue. And right here there is Firestore database. So now we will create a database. Next, I'm saying Asia, another. Here I'm making a collection that will be word bank. You can name it as you want. Auto ID, and the field I'm saying title, and here I'm saying Apple. Another field I'm saying meaning, and then I'm saying it's a group. Save, and there you can see under that ID there are two fields, and I will make another ID, title, and here I will say Fox, meaning I'm just saying it's an animal. Save. So in our database, there are some words, or there are some data, and these are this. So right here in that model folder, I'm making the model. As word model. String title meaning and ID, and right click, then generate, then constructor, and selecting these three variables, and okay, then our model is done. And then we will go to controller, and I'm taking new file, and I'm saying word controller, and here I'm saying class word controller extends GetX controller. And here I'm saying variable is loading false, and variable word list, and the list would be our model type. That means word model empty list, and we will make a function which is future type, future void, and function name I'm saying get data async. Then we will try query snapshot, and here we will say words will await Firebase Firestore instance dot collection, and here will be the name of our collection that we have made, that is word bank, and it is ordered by, the field is title, then dot get file, and then we will say word list not clear. We're clearing our list first, then we will make a loop for variable word in words, and words dot docs. here we will say word list dot add, and we'll call our model, and here we will say word title, word, and word.id. Here we will make this loading false, and after trying we will catch, and then if we catch something then we will show it by example error into to string. Fine. Or to get the data from the database, we have made our function and it is done. Our controller part is done. And then we will make our binding. I'm taking a new file, controller binding, and here I'm saying class controller binding extends bindings. Here I'm saying get dot put, and here I'm saying word controller. Word controller. Fine. In the main file, I will make it future, and it will be async, and I will say binding ensure initialized, and then I will say await and Firebase dot initialize app. Here import package Firebase core. Fine. So, and after that, in that get material app, here initial binding, we have to bind our binding that we have made, that is controller binding. Fine. Then we will go to our views and we will work on it. Here we have to set our SDK version 19 minimum. Right here, 19. Let's run it. Multi-text here, type multi-text doubled, run it. Make it true. Then publish. So in the code everything was fine, but after making some change in the configuration, like here in Android manifest file, I have added this tool section, and in the pubspec.yaml file I have downgraded the Cloud Firestore version to 3.1.1, and I have changed the emulator which has Play Store. And after that I restarted the application and it worked fine. And here you can see this is the data that we have set in our database manually, and we are getting that data onto our UI. And here I will say main alignment and alignment spacer up. And I'm adding a padding. Colors dot range. Fine. Here you can see this is the word that we have that we are getting from the database. So that's for today, and in the next part I will show you how to delete the data and how to edit the data. And thanks for watching.